Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. WeMod Witcher 3. For today's video, I'm going to teach you about the WeMod Witcher 3 and what does WeMod provide you. What mods does WeMod provide when you're using the Witcher 3? So right now, click on the WeMod right here. So as you can see, here are the providing right here. Here are all the things that you can do on the WeMod on the Witcher 3. You can do the unlimited horse stamina right here. Do that. Maybe the low horse fear. Does you get fear? As you can never die. We have a never die here. We have unlimited stamina. So right, just try. So when I run right now, you can see my stamina on the left, the yellow one, gonna drain out. Right, run. See, it's draining out. I'm running, 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 and there, drains out. So now let's check the remote right here. Stamina F10. So click on F10. So a quick tip for you guys: if you're not using a pro, you're not allowed to click this, but you can allow to click on the hotkeys right here. Click F10. Let's run over to the village. Try running, and as you can see, my stamina isn't worn out. There you go. I'm allowed to run and not get tired. There you go, guys. There you go. There you go. Now allowed to do and there you go. So let's get that. What? Wait, I'll go with this. 11, 11, F10. And if you want to know how I get that noise when I'm opening it and closing it, watch my previous videos on about WeMod. You can see it there how to get those sounds when you open something. You see ding, dang, ding, dang. You want those? Just watch my previous videos. And now we're gonna go back here. You will never die and 7 unlimited rage. Unlimited breath. So when you're underwater, just click on that at 7 and you'll be breathe underwater for a long time. Unlimited toxicity. So a lot of people who's playing The Witcher 3 is very useful. Limited toxicity. And this is my favorite instant kill. Whenever I'm fighting somebody, click F8. Try to fight somebody. Fight me. Come on, fight me. Oops, see, I hit him once and he died. Oh, and believe I'm gonna die too. One hit, one hit. So yeah, there you go, guys. And then let's go back. We mod. And what else do we have here? We have enemies always tired. So there's always tired. Unlimited gold. So this is very useful. Unlimited gold, unlimited grenades. Wow. And unlimited durability. So you don't have to clean your swords. So all the Witcher fans here, you want to keep using the swords and you don't want to keep sharpening it, just for you. Unlimited ability, no crafting requirements. Wow, that's a big deal because in the Witcher 3 there's a lot of crafting. Always win Gwent. Wow. I haven't played Gwent in the Witcher 3, but to those who plays Gwent the Witcher 3 and always listening to hard difficulties, I suggest using this once in a while. And we had add XP to get more experience and unlimited skill points to finish your skill trees in the Witcher 3. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.